Hello guys, welcome to Ken Creative Concepts. Today I'll be teaching you how to create your video intro and outros. So we'll be using an app called Renderforest. So follow me, let's dive in. Okay, let me go, I'll show you the app. So this is the app that we'll use. We'll use this app, you can see it. This is the app we are using. So to do the when you click on the app, so let it open, you see the interface. So this is the interface, this is the AI tools, you have the video editor, you have the social media explainer, video visualizer, and intro and outro. So we are more concerned about the intro and outro. So probably I will do another video to explain other features, but for now I will concentrate more on the intro and the outro, how to create it for your.
So we'll be looking at the intro and outro. So let me show you how it looks like. When you tap on it, you will see different version, different samples. So you select the one you want. So let's click on this one to see. This is how it looks like. It will play. Sorry, let me go back again and play it. Network is somehow slow. So let me play another one just to show you how it works. This is it, something like this, the intro video. I know you must have seen the intros of some videos with something like this. So this is how it is done. So let me just show you another one, something like this, but this one is a paid version. Let me show you something like this. I'm having a poor network issue here. Something like this. Network is disturbing. Okay, let me open another one so you can see something like this. Oh god, something like this. Good, something like this. So as you can see, how to create something like this. So I'll click on the first one so that we'll use it, or I'll just select another one. So let me just click on this first one to use it so that you see what I'm doing. So you click on create. After click on create, now if you are doing for YouTube, you use on widescreen. If it's for phone videos, let's say TikTok and all the rest, you use a portrait, and if it's for Facebook, you use square. So because I'm going to use the first one, widescreen. So here now, this is where your result will show. So here you upload an image. So let me upload an image. I'm just going to use a random image as a logo. So I've taught you how to create logo. Just go through my videos. You see how to create a logo there. Learn that and come back here to continue the video. So for you to upload a video, all you need to do is just click on the image. Once you click on the image, you go to your gallery where you have downloaded your already completed logo. You just search through. So I'm just going to use this one. Let me use this one. So I've used this one. So here, texts, you just click on text and you just say let's write any text at all. Let's say Ken's luxury shoes or wears, anyone, you are done. So the second text will have just a slogan: home of comfort. So that after you have done this, so all you need to do is you can decide to preview it and see how it will look like. So I'm going to preview it. You can use any of this, so I'm going to use fast preview. I'm not signed in already, so you can sign in using your mail. So let me just do that. Let me just do sign in using my mail. So I'm going to pause this video for a while so that for me to sign in. So I've logged in my account. So on the preview, because it's not a paid video, a paid version, sorry, I've not subscribed, I'm still using the free version. So I'm going to use a fast view with watermark. So once I clicked it, so it's your video is in a long queue, come back later. So we are going to wait for it. So I'll pause this video. Once it's ready, then I will resume it.
So the video is exporting now. We'll see what we have. Finish. Then as you can see, it is rendering. So it is done. So this is it. This is the intro video that I can play. Let me play it. So this is the end product. This is it, as you can see. So you are free, you can download. You just download it to your gallery and you start using it to use CapCut to add it to your video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on like on the like button, and also drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you.